Welcome to the exciting world of chemistry. In a chemistry lab, we explore the fascinating world of matter and its transformations. Labs are like playgrounds for scientists, where they conduct experiments to understand how things work at a molecular level. But just like any other specialized field, chemistry labs have their own set of tools. These tools are designed for specific tasks, enabling scientists to perform experiments with accuracy and safety. From simple glassware to sophisticated instruments, each tool plays a crucial role in unraveling the mysteries of the chemical world. Think of these tools as extensions of the chemist's hands and eyes, allowing them to manipulate substances, observe reactions, and measure results with precision. In this journey, we will delve into the fascinating world of chemistry lab tools, exploring their uses, significance, and the safety measures associated with them. Let the exploration begin. Imagine you're a chef whipping up a delicious meal. You need different containers to mix, heat, and store ingredients. Similarly, chemists rely on beakers and flasks, the workhorses of a chemistry lab for handling chemicals. Beakers are like sturdy mugs with a wide mouth and a spout, perfect for pouring liquids. Their flat bottom provides stability on lab benches, and the graduated markings on the side give a rough estimate of the liquid's volume. Flasks, on the other hand, resemble bottles with a narrow neck and a wider base. They come in various shapes, like the conical Erlenmeyer flask and the round-bottomed flask, each designed for specific tasks. Whether it's mixing solutions, heating liquids, or observing reactions, beakers and flasks are indispensable tools in a chemist's arsenal. Test tubes are the unsung heroes of countless chemical experiments. These small cylindrical tubes, slightly larger than your finger, are designed to hold, mix, and heat small quantities of chemicals. Imagine trying to observe a reaction between two liquids. Simply pouring them together in a beaker might not be ideal, as the reaction might be too vigorous or require controlled heating. That's where test tubes come into play, but holding a test tube over a flame requires a steady hand. That's why we use test tube holders, handy tools that grip the test tube securely, allowing us to heat or manipulate the contents without the risk of burns or spills. They are like an extra pair of hands for a chemist, providing safety and precision during experiments. In the world of chemistry, precision is paramount. Adding a pinch of salt while cooking might be acceptable, but in chemistry, even a tiny miscalculation in the amount of a substance can drastically alter the outcome of an experiment. This is where graduated cylinders and pipettes step in, the measuring instruments of the chemistry lab. Graduated cylinders, as their name suggests, are tall, cylindrical containers with markings along the side, much like a measuring cup. They allow us to measure the volume of liquids accurately. Pipettes, on the other hand, are like tiny, elongated droppers. They come in various sizes and allow for the precise transfer of small volumes of liquids, often just a few drops. From measuring out precise amounts of reagents for a reaction to preparing solutions of a specific concentration, graduated cylinders and pipettes are indispensable for any aspiring chemist. Section 5. Turning up the heat, Bunsen burners, and hot plates. Chemistry often involves reactions that need an extra boost of energy to get going, and that's where Bunsen burners and hot plates come in. These are the heat sources of the chemistry lab, providing controlled and adjustable heat for various experiments. The Bunsen burner, named after the German chemist Robert Bunsen, is a staple in many labs. It's a vertical metal tube connected to a gas supply, producing a single hot flame when ignited. The flame's intensity can be adjusted to provide the right amount of heat for a particular experiment. Hot plates, as the name implies, offer a flat, electrically heated surface. They are perfect for heating substances in beakers and flasks, providing even heat distribution and precise temperature control. Whether it's sterilizing equipment, heating chemicals to initiate reactions, or simply keeping a solution warm, Bunsen burners and hot plates are essential tools for controlling temperature in a chemistry lab. Section 6. Safety first. Goggles and gloves. A chemistry lab is an exciting place, but it's crucial to remember that safety always comes first. Chemicals can be hazardous, and protecting ourselves from potential harm is paramount. That's why safety goggles and gloves are non-negotiable accessories for anyone stepping foot in a chemistry lab. Safety goggles act as a shield, protecting our eyes from accidental splashes, fumes, or projectiles. They provide a secure barrier around the eyes, ensuring that our precious sense of sight remains unharmed. Gloves, typically made of nitrile or latex, are like a second skin for our hands, protecting them from contact with corrosive chemicals, extreme temperatures, or sharp objects. Remember, in a chemistry lab, we're dealing with substances that can be harmful if not handled properly. Wearing safety goggles and gloves is not just a rule, it's a fundamental practice that ensures our well-being while we explore the wonders of chemistry. Section 7. Keeping it clean. Wash bottles and brushes. Cleanliness is not just next to godliness in a chemistry lab, it's an absolute necessity. Contamination can ruin experiments, leading to inaccurate results and potentially even dangerous reactions. That's why maintaining a spotless work environment is crucial, and wash bottles and brushes are our trusty sidekicks in this endeavor. Wash bottles are like specialized water guns for cleaning glassware. Filled with distilled water, they deliver a controlled stream of water, rinsing away residue and leftover chemicals from beakers, flasks, and test tubes. But sometimes a simple rinse isn't enough. That's where brushes come in. Test tube brushes, with their long handles and bristles, are perfect for scrubbing the nooks and crannies of test tubes and other narrow glassware. Remember, a clean lab is a safe and accurate lab. Section 8. Precision and Accuracy. The Cornerstones of Chemistry. Throughout our exploration of chemistry lab tools, one theme has remained constant: the importance of precision and accuracy. In chemistry, every drop counts, and even a slight deviation in measurement or procedure can significantly impact the outcome of an experiment. Imagine baking a cake and accidentally adding twice the amount of baking powder. The result? A dense, unpleasant mess. Similarly, in chemistry, using the wrong amount of a substance or making inaccurate measurements can lead to unexpected and potentially dangerous outcomes. Whether we're measuring liquids with a graduated cylinder, transferring small volumes with a pipette, or heating a substance to a specific temperature, precision and accuracy are paramount. They are the cornerstones of reliable and reproducible results, ensuring that our experiments are both meaningful and safe. Section 9. Responsible Experimentation, a Final Word. As we conclude our journey into the world of chemistry lab tools, it's crucial to remember that these tools are not merely objects. They are extensions of our curiosity and our desire to understand the world around us. Each beaker, flask, test tube, and Bunsen burner empowers us to unlock the secrets of matter, but with this power comes responsibility. It's our duty to use these tools ethically, safely, and with respect for the environment. Remember, chemistry is not just about mixing chemicals and observing reactions, it's about exploration, discovery, and making a positive impact on the world. So let's embrace the wonders of chemistry with open minds, cautious hands, and a steadfast commitment to responsible experimentation.